Have you ever finished an amazing movie, a great book, or your favorite TV show and just wished you could talk to the characters? Well, right now, a technology called AI character chatbots lets you do exactly that. But there's usually a catch. You've probably seen it. The characters feel robotic. Or worse, right when the story gets good, a content filter shuts the whole party down. Real buzzkill. But what if there was one platform that acted like a master key, letting you unlock the most powerful AI brains on the planet? That platform is Janitor AI. And today I'm going to show you how to set it up for a truly limitless experience. This is your complete guide for Tuesday. We're going from the basics to the advanced secrets, like setting up the Janitor AI API for seamless integration with models like Google Gemini and the super popular Deepseek. Let's dive in. Alright, this is the most important part of the video and the answer to the question how to use Janitor AI Proxy. The proxy is how we connect a better AI brain. You'll find it by clicking the menu in the top right of a chat and going to API settings greater than proxy. This is our mission control. Our first method uses Gemini with Janitor AI for that top tier, unfiltered experience. First, we need an API key. Head over to the Google AI Studio, create and copy your key. Now, I want you to treat this key like it's your grandmother's secret award-winning cookie recipe. It's powerful, makes wonderful things happen, and you absolutely do not share it with just anyone. If you post this publicly, you'll get the bill for the ingredients. Okay, back in Janitor AI. For model, type Gemini-2.5-Pro. For the API proxy URL, copy the special community link from my description. This is your free Janitor AI proxy link. And for API key, paste in your secret cookie recipe. Last, add the custom prompt from the description. Now click Save Settings. Okay? If your chat gives you an error, don't panic. Before you start questioning your life choices, just refresh the page. Seriously. It's the digital equivalent of giving your TV a little smack when the picture gets fuzzy. It feels like it shouldn't work, but it almost always does. Okay, let's talk about the models you're all searching for. Janitor AI, Deepseek, Mythomax, or even Cobalt AI. The easiest way to connect them is through a service called OpenRouter. Go to OpenRouter.ai, create an account, and get your API key. Then, on their models page, you can find all the good stuff. A really popular free choice right now is Deepseek Ghost. Just find it on the list and copy its model name. Back in Janitor AI, you just change the fields, paste the Deepseek model name, change the proxy URL to OpenRouter's URL, it's in the description, and paste in your ** OpenRouter API key **. It's the same process for other models like Greif/Mythomax-L2-13B. It's that easy. Now that you have a powerful AI engine, you'll probably want to build your own character. It's super simple. On the main page, just click on Create Character. Give your character a name and an avatar. The most important part is the personality or bio. Be as detailed as you can. This is what the AI learns from. Then write their first message to the user, and there you have it. You now know how to use Janitor AI, how to set up the proxy with Gemini and Deepseek, and even how to build your own characters. You're officially a pro. So my question for you is, which model are you trying first? Gemini or Deepseek? Let me know in the comments. All the links and things to copy-paste are waiting for you down below. If this guide helped you out, do me a solid and hit that like button and subscribe for more AI adventures. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.